Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this particular video we are going to be talking about change of character. All right, this CHoCH tutorial is designed specifically for beginners who are learning the smart money concept. So by the end of this video, you will understand how to identify CHoCH. Remember that CHoCH stands for change of character. So you know how to identify CHoCH and use it to read potential trend reversals in the market. So first of all, what exactly is change of character? What is CHoCH? This is a concept that happens when price breaks the previous market structure in a way that signals a potential shift in trend. All right. For example, in an uptrend, right, we are having higher highs and higher lows, right? Right? That's what defines an uptrend. Now, if price should break a key swing low, if price should break it, it may indicate a shift toward a downtrend. Now, in this case, we actually had a double bottom, or rather an equal low. So we kind of had an equal low pattern. We had a test here, right? And another around here, giving us an equal low pattern, a double bottom pattern, right? But eventually we had a break of that pattern. But in some cases, we might actually have the first, sign of a change in structure, which is a change from this bullish structure to a bearish structure. We might actually have the first one break significantly below this low. All right. So basically, when we have a new swing low form after a bullish trend, that's what we call a change of character. It happens when the price breaks below, it breaks the previous market structure in a way that signals a potential shift in trend. Okay, so this is an example of an uptrend that was changed into a downtrend. So CHoCH is crucial because it shows where smart money, large institutional traders, where they are likely entering or exiting positions. Recognizing this gives traders insight into where momentum might change. Okay, so now to spot CHoCH on your charts, you have to start by identifying the current market structure, right? Which are highs and lows, swing points, and support and resistance zones. You need to identify these levels on your chart because they are very, very important. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is to watch for price breaking these key levels. If a previous low like this one now, or a previous high is broken in a decisive manner, that is your CHoCH signal. So it is important to wait for confirmation, such as a candle close beyond the structure, in order to avoid false signals. Now, CHoCH fits perfectly into the smart money concept. Smart money often causes these changes by moving the market through liquidity hunts, and structure breaks. So by understanding CHoCH, you are essentially learning to read the moves of professional traders. So when you combine CHoCH with other smart money tools like liquidity zones and other blocks, you can anticipate market behavior with more confidence. Now, for beginners, you have to focus on learning the basics first, okay? That is identifying swings, you know, drawing your structure lines, and watching for breaks. You need to avoid trying to predict every move, okay? Make sure you identify the current trend first. Higher highs, higher lows show you an uptrend. When you have lower highs, lower lows, it shows you a downtrend. Then at some point, if you notice that in a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, at some point you notice that price now forming higher high, right? So that shows you that a change of character has happened when the previous high has been broken. So here we had a change of character from bearish to bullish, and here we had a change of character from bullish to bearish. Okay, so it's very, very straightforward. All right, patience is key. Let the market structure, or rather, let the market break structure, confirm the CHoCH, and then consider your analysis. Using CHoCH along with proper chart reading techniques improves your understanding of market flow and trend reversals. All right, so that is your beginner friendly change of character tutorial for the smart money concept. You need to start by practicing, this concept, practice by identifying CHoCH signals on your charts to better understand market structure. Like I said, just a quick recap. CHoCH, which is change of character, simply shows that the structure of the market is changing. When you're having lower highs and lower lows, and suddenly you have a higher high, that's a change of character from bearish to bullish. And then when you're having a series of higher highs and higher lows, and suddenly you have a lower low, that's a change of character from bullish to bearish. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. All right. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tutorials on smart money concepts and market structure. Begin by spotting CHoCH and start reading market trends like a pro. See you in the next video.